9-1 Samples and Surveys. I can identify sampling methods and recognize bias.
Awesome, thank you, Ryan. Vocab. I love what you guys did over here in your cheat sheet. We took a lot of vocab words and we broke it down into a summary of sampling methods. To the right here, the one I just circled, you have a briefing or a brief explanation of some of the sampling methods. To the left, you have the bigger definitions. So population would be a group of people being studied. Sample would be part of the population. So you have population, big group, sample, narrow it down. And then 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Is that right? 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Talk about various samples. We have a random sample, self-explanatory. Systematic sample, there's a rule. Stratified sample, random from a random. Convenience, the easiest. Voluntary response is exactly what it says. People that want to be surveyed. And then number 8 is a big part of what we did here in the next section. Bias sample, a small or a group that doesn't accurately represent the population. So our example of a bias sample would be if you ask currently a group of Republicans what they think of the president, you're going to get a biased answer. If you ask a group of Democrats what they think of the president, you're going to get a biased answer. Because you are not asking the population, you're asking a sample of the population, and in that case, pretty specific samples of the population. Second part, when we analyze samples, we talked about what the population was, what the sample was, and what possible biases were. I love the cheat sheet idea again. So I'm going to let you read through 9 and 10 on your own. And the cheat sheet idea number 5 here, which is a little bit down the screen here. When determining bias, you need to analyze the overall population compared to the smaller sample. Ask yourself this question. What's the question you should ask yourself, Nicolette?
Does the sample represent the population?
If the sample doesn't represent the population, ask yourself why. Why doesn't the sample represent the population? And that would be where you will get your bias from, or your bias from. Questions?